is my love yours. With you I don't see any flaws nor kind of imperfection. And I really just don't know if I'd approach or let you go. I'm done admiring you from a distance. Well, I wrote you this song. Will I die to I can feel the slow of time and how fast my heart beats for you. Oh baby, please just be mine. I wanna dance with you in the rain. Hold my hand, there goes my pain. And trust me, I promise we'll dance together and rewrite our stars. I wanna dance with you in the rain, and every step with you every day. If loving you these great days will pass on and it will stay the same. You lift me in my darkest days. When you're with me, my heart just races. With that brief moment with you sparks a love inside my broken dead heart. And every time I cry you're there, and every time I'm down you care. And that is why I adore you night and day, and it will stay the same. We look hard to heart, I can feel our vows been carved. So love, please don't go. I promise I will never let you cry. I wanna dance with you in the rain. Close my eyes, there goes my pain. Hold on tight, we'll dance amongst the stars under the moonlight. And every step with you all the way. I love you, there's not much left to say. I wanna rub my hands, feel you inside and whisper please be mine. I wanna dance with you in the rain. Take my hand, there goes my pain. I wanna dance with you in the rain, as our love takes off our pain. Hold on tight, we'll dance amongst the stars under the moonlight. And every step with you all the way. I love you, there's not much left to say. I wanna walk my hands, feel you inside and whisper please be mine.